In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in tasks, projects, and filters on Todoist. We'll walk through the ways you can incorporate these fun and expressive icons into your Todoist workflow to keep your tasks organized and visually appealing. So let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Todoist account. You can do this using your web browser or the Todoist desktop application, whichever you find more convenient. Once you're in, you're ready to start enhancing your task management with emojis. Let's talk about using emojis in tasks. Adding emojis to your task titles can greatly enhance the way you categorize and prioritize them, making it easy to quickly scan your list and identify what needs your attention. To include an emoji in your task, simply press the Windows key and the period key on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut will bring up an emoji panel, allowing you to choose what fits best for your task. For instance, if you have a task to respond to emails, you might use the email emoji. It makes the task stand out and gives you a clear indicator of what it entails. Or if you're preparing for a trip, a packing box emoji would be relevant and visually effective. Now let's move on to how you can use emojis in projects. Assigning emojis to your projects not only adds a touch of personality, but also provides quick visual cues about the project's theme or purpose. Think about using a briefcase emoji for work-related tasks, a house emoji for home-related activities, or a book emoji for study projects. This helps in quickly recognizing the nature of each project at a glance. Next, emojis can also be used in filters and labels, which are powerful tools for managing your tasks. By inserting emojis within filters, you can easily identify specific categories or priority levels. For example, you might have a bell emoji to highlight important tasks within a filter, or a clock emoji to signify tasks that involve waiting. These visual markers not only make your Todoist more organized, but also more engaging and easier to navigate. Now let's cover a few bonus tips to enhance your emoji usage in Todoist. Firstly, try to maintain a consistent emoji theme throughout your tasks and projects to keep things visually cohesive. This consistency helps in maintaining clarity and structure. Secondly, use frequently utilized emojis in your labels to ensure quick identification and accessibility. Lastly, remember that in addition to using the emoji keyboard, you can also copy emojis from other sources and paste them directly into Todoist, providing flexibility in how you incorporate them. With these guidelines and tips, you can efficiently utilize emojis in your Todoist account to add personality and enhance your task organization. Happy planning!